Hello, welcome to Tech Easy. Good evening to everyone. Today in this video, I just want to unbox this brand new wireless mouse. And in the previous video last week, I have unboxed this Protronics Dot 23 wireless mouse, which is working very fine, and I'm really satisfied with this product. And this is 300. If you want a detailed video on this, check in the description. And you may ask, when I have this mouse and working properly, why did I order again the new mouse? See here, this is battery operated, and the mouse which I have ordered is wireless mouse only, but we can charge it. Means this is the W battery. Okay, this one, the current one I'm using, and this is charged, means with USB cable we can actually charge. I'll unbox and show you. And this is working fine. This Protronics is working fine, and this is not for me, as my friend came to my house and saw this beautiful looking optical mouse, and he wants to use the wireless mouse again. At that point of time we ordered this one because he plays games a lot. Means he has a PC which is a gaming PC. He want a mouse which has lights surrounded by it, and that too chargeable mouse. So we have ordered this, and this is 400 and this is 300. I'll unbox and show you. Yeah, see here, this is the brand Dezful, I can pronounce it. Dezful TC M500 wireless mouse, which has 2.4 gigahertz. Yeah, I'll just open this once. Is there anything else left behind? Yeah, the cable, USB charging port, I said right. This is C type. Yeah, this is C type. So no need to actually worry about this data cable also. So what I'll do is I'll just plug it to my laptop once and I'll test it. Yeah, see here at the back side there is a dongle, USB dongle. I just removed this, and just like the other mouse, I just need to insert this into my one of the USB cable. So I successfully did that, and there is a power on and off button at the back side of this. So I need to switch it on. As soon as I switch it on, there is a light indicating here. Okay, see here, if you observe, there is a light indicator here. In the Protronics these don't have any lights. So yeah, here at the sides also, if you can observe, I need to turn off my light once. I'll just turn off my light once. Yeah, this is when I turn off the light once. See here, if you can observe this. For those who play the games, this mouse would be a perfect choice. And I'll try to show you the cursor here, what I'm showing. See, the lights on my laptop are just that this one, this lights only, this mouse lights only. And if you can observe, the cursor is moving, right? This brand new this one, what is this? Dezful TC M500 mouse. So please do comment that if you want a experience video, something like I'll use it for like 2 to 3 weeks, and if I want to again post a video, if I get like 10 to 15 comments on this requesting a review video or a usage video or my experience video on this particular mouse, I'll do another video on that. And please do share your thoughts on this. Yeah, anything else? I need to check the charging. Yeah, that's it for now. And yeah, have a nice day.